Guys, welcome back to our daily lead code series. And today again we have got easy question. I don't know, for few days we have been getting easy ones. I was expecting a medium one for today, but let's see. We're given intersection of two arrays. Okay, so we need to return the number of elements that are coming in both arrays. This is the question. So in 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 2 is the element coming in both. 4, 9, 5, 9, 4, 9, 8, 4. So I've got 4 and 9 coming in both. So when we've got these sort of questions, I'll show you two methods what we can follow. The first one is using the map. I'll directly take you to the code. That will be more easier. So see, I can take a map, or you see the limit is 1000. We won't get a number greater than 1000. So I'll directly take as a, instead of map, I'll use a integer list or an integer array. So I'll loop over the um, first array, and I'll just do map num equal to 1. So for every of these element, my map value would become 1, right? So what I'll do, our first task is to loop over the first array, and then we loop over the second array. Okay, I'll do for int num nums2. Now, uh, okay, what we'll do is if map num equal 1, that means this number is was also there in our previous, or the previous array, or in the nums1. So one thing, I'll just print it out. System.out.println nums, just to show you once, and I'll just return it new int. For now I'll just, that will fail. I just want to see the number of the elements. So you see we have got 2 and 2 for the first test case. For the second one, 9494. So this is the case. Now one thing is, now we're getting it twice, the as many as times they are written over here, we are getting it right. So one thing is, we can use a set here and then we can convert it to array later on. Or I'll show you one more easier method. What I'll do is I'll make map num equal to 2. Now 2 means 2 will this map value will be 2 only when it is coming in here also and this one also. So now what I'll do is, I'll take my resultant array, I'll take int res new int, and this would be, okay, I don't know the number of elements. So what I'll do is I'll create one count here, and I'll see whichever elements are coming twice, count plus plus, right? And this thing will only work for the first time. Like when I come to 9, map num is 1, so it will do map num equal to 2. Now when I come to 4, it will convert it to 2. Now when I again come to 9, it won't come inside this if case, because now the map num is 2, and this would be count, and I'll take one index 0, and what I'll do is I'll loop over from our 0, as the elements are from 0, and I'll loop till 1000. Now if map I equal to 2, that means it is coming in both. I'll just do res idx plus plus equal to ri, and I'll just return res like that. Simple, works fine. Now if I loop over, if instead of like looping over this whole range, if I loop over like this, if int I and if int num in nums1, then I'll have to check if map num is equal to 2, and then what I'll do, res idx plus plus equal to num. Now in this case, uh, suppose 1 2 2 1 2 is coming twice, so it will add this twice, so that we can't afford. So we'll do map num again equal to 1, so that it doesn't come again. So this is one more way that we can use. Or if you're not that comfortable with the maps, then we can make use of something, sorting. Arrays dot sort nums1, then we'll do arrays dot sort nums2, And what we'll do, suppose I'll take one array list, but this will make use of list. And here are equal to new array list. Now I'll loop from 0, j0, I is for nums1, j is for nums2, while I is less than nums1 dot length and j is less than nums2 dot length. Right. Now I'll check if nums1 I equal to our nums2 j. That means we have got the element. So what I'll do, I'll just put that element arr dot add nums1 I. Right. Now for the repetitive elements, what we'll do is while nums1 I, and I'll do something like I plus 1 is less than nums1 dot length, and nums1 I is equal to nums1 I plus 1. And what I'll do is I'll just do I plus plus. Same for j, I'll just repeat it. Yeah. Or what I can do is I'll just do nums2 j and nums2 j plus 1 and nums2 dot length j plus 1 and j plus plus. Yeah. So this way it's equal. We'll come to j plus 1. Now j plus 1 is not equal. Okay. Or what I'll do is better than this, I should take it as, okay, let me show you the error that will come. That would be fine. Now, else if nums1 I is less than nums2 j. So I'll just increment I plus plus so that they come to an equal state, and else I'll just do j plus plus. And later on I'll just do um, int res equal to new int, which is arr dot size. Now for int of I in arr, I'll just do res idx plus plus equal to I. I'll take one index and I'll just return it. Let me just run it. Okay, I is already defined. I'll just take x. Memory limit exceeded. I think we have missed some case. Okay, got it. This is the case. So what we'll do is we'll do I plus plus, we'll do j plus plus. And after that, I'll just check. Now my I has come from 0 to 1, right? So I'll do if nums1 I, that is 1, is equal to nums1 I minus 1. And I'll just check this. I'll just check this. And I'll just check this. I'll tell you what the error was. Let me just verify it. Yeah, works fine. So see, when we previously what we were doing, we were comparing like 1, 2, 2, 1, right? Previously what we were doing is 1, 1, 2, 2. So I'm on 1, right? And suppose the next other array is 1 and 2, right? So 1 and 1 matches. So now I need to loop over till we don't get 1. So currently my I is on this. Now I'll check if I is equal to I plus 1. Yes, so I will come here. Now I'll check if I is equal to I plus 1. It is not, so I will still stay here, but I want my I to go till 2 for the next element. So what I did now is I first incremented I. Okay, so from here I just incremented I till here, and then I checked if this I is equal to previous element. Yeah, it is equal, so I'll increment again. Now is it equal to previous element? No, so it will stay on 2. So this way I'll just submit it. Yeah, works fine. So I've showed you 2, 3 methods That would help you. Thank you.